Hello, everyone. This video is created strictly for educational, training, and informational purposes to support nursing students, healthcare learners, and medical professionals in understanding clinical procedures and nursing skills. The content presented in this video is intended to demonstrate general healthcare concepts and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical training, clinical supervision, institutional protocols, or licensed healthcare practice. This content does not provide medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment recommendations and is intended solely for educational healthcare training purposes. Thank you so much for being part of this community. Your encouragement motivates me to keep learning, teaching, and growing every day. Thank you for watching.